Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here, and I got an item to unbox, review, and set up. So let's get right to it. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Little Tikes 5 Little Ducks water table that's in connection with the baby bum. So this item is bought for my son. He's 22 months. It was a gift, so I'm not exactly sure the cost of it, but when I did some research, I found that they're selling this exact model on Target for $49.99. And they had been selling the same model on Amazon for, I'm guessing, the same price, but since it was unavailable, I couldn't tell the price. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to open this up. I'm going to set it all up. I'm going to get it ready for my son, and then later when he wakes up from his nap, we'll let him play with it, and then we'll do our review on how we feel how it works. So let's get to it. We got an instruction sheet here with it. I'm going to go through this instruction sheet because I want to make sure I actually set this thing up right. Looks like I'm going to need some tools, as there's some screws that are there, but we'll see. I'll get those tools once I get to that point. The base is all set up. That went on pretty easy and there was no tools required, but let's keep on going. This is the part where I'm gonna have to get some tools. I'll be right back. I'm back with my tools, and this is what I got. I got a pair of regular flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and then just some regular pliers. For this part, I'm gonna need the needle nose. There's a spot here where you need to get this little water stopper through. This is how you drain the table after you're done. And it's kind of tricky. There, the whole thing's in. The fasteners aren't actually screws. They're these little plastic pieces that you can push in. You just line up the hole, push it through. Same thing on the other side. Line up the holes, push it through. It has a little bit of play here, but I think that's by design. Comes with this little frog and, as the name says, 5 little ducks. All I needed to assemble it was this to help me slide in a part that was tricky, and some needle nose pliers on the plug. Those were the only tools I needed. We also got some stickers, and you can put these around the base of it if you want. I'm gonna stick them on there now. And that's it. That is the completed Little Tikes water table, 5 Little Ducks water table. Now I just need to add water. Let's do that. And there you have it. The table's full, didn't take much water. And now I'm gonna leave it out in the sun, let it get nice and warm. And when he wakes up from his nap, we'll see how he likes it. I think it's easy to see that this item was a success. He seems to really like it. He's been playing with it for a little bit now. It's holding his attention, and I think this toy is going to be used a lot in these upcoming summer months. Thanks for watching.